In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily share a PDF link directly from your phone using Google Drive. Let's get started. Locate and open the Google Drive app on your phone. If you don't have it, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Make sure you are logged into your Google account. If your PDF isn't already in Google Drive, tap the plus button and select Upload. Find the PDF file on your phone and select it to upload. When this interface appears, you can choose to adjust some certain details like selecting which Google account you want to upload the PDF to. Then click Upload. Once the PDF is uploaded, find it in your Google Drive. You will usually see it under Files. Tap the three dots next to the PDF file name. In the menu that appears, tap Share. This opens the sharing options. Grant access. You will see either that people with access can open the file or that it is restricted. Tap the Change to update this. Now select anyone with the link. Tap the Copy Link button. The link is now copied to your clipboard. You can now paste the link into an email, text message, or any other app where you want to share the PDF. Anyone with the link can view and download the PDF. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.